Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable internet access in virtual machine on VMware. So first of all, open up your VMware, and then after you have opened your VMware, you can see that we have a virtual machine called Windows 7 x64, and I'm going to right click on it and then go to settings. From here you have to go to network adapter, and in here you can see the device status is currently turned on, right? Connect at power on. So what that means that if we have internet on our main or host machine, then we will have the internet connection on our virtual machine as well. So if we do not want to have internet connection in the virtual machine, we have to check this off. And what this will do is it will disable the internet access. Again, if you check this, make sure it is checked, it will enable the internet access and you will be able to use internet in a virtual machine. So that's how you can enable or disable internet in your virtual machine.